Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing phone evolution timeline a template in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and insert an image in the background. Close the format background and next you're gonna give some guidelines for this slide. Next we're gonna insert straight line onto half of the slide onto the right side. Next, we're gonna insert a circle, change its fill to white, and change its height and width to 0.7. Next, what we're gonna do is just duplicate it about 5 times, and we're gonna put them onto the line with equal distance. And what we're gonna do is just give them equal distance manually because if we do it automatically from the rotate or from the align option, it won't be really accurate. So you'll have to do it manually. So the next thing we're gonna do is let me just remove other text that I have onto the circle. What we're gonna do is just remove everything from the circles and be sure to use a high resolution image in the background to make the presentation look great. You're going to duplicate the slide and you're going to select all of the circles along with the straight line and move the second circle into the middle. Next, you're going to duplicate the slide and move the third one into the middle and duplicate the slide, move the fourth one into the middle and then duplicate the slide and move the fifth one circle into the middle by holding shift. Here you go. Next, you're going to go to the first slide and insert an image of some mobile phones here. So I have collected a number of images of mobile phone evolution images. So I'll just use these images. Let me just crop them so that we can just put them like the images right there. I want to use the separate images, so I'll just crop them. But I'll recommend you to use separate images, to download separate images and then insert them one by one into the slide. Because if you use cropped images, the morph transition would just make your presentation look really ugly, such as that I show you in the slideshow. So because I used non-cropped pictures, so the morph transition didn't look out to be smooth, and so I'll just recommend you to use separate images. Next, what we're going to do is insert your text into the circle and maximize the image size of the first image. Remove the fill of the circle, give it the slide background fill so that we can just remove the outline from the background. Next, we're going to go to the second slide and increase the size of the circle as well. And then what we're going to do is remove this fill, give it an outline, and insert our second timeline here. Next, we're going to give it the slide background fill and copy and paste the same images from the previous slide, and while holding shift, move them to the left side. And then decrease the size of the first image and increase the size of the second image. Here you go. We'll select the images again, copy them and paste them onto the third slide while holding shift. We're going to move them to the left side and then we're going to increase the size of the third image and reduce the size of the second image. Now copy your text, and what you're going to do is just increase the third circle size as well, push it into the middle in the center of the straight line, remove its fill, give it an outline and give it the slide background fill. And insert your text and next you're going to change its color to white. So here you go. We're gonna write other ear in it as well. Move the phone upwards and then increase its size. Copy your all of the images and paste them onto the last slide. And while holding shift, move them to the left side and decrease the size of the fourth image and increase the size of the fifth image. And similarly, we're gonna also expand the size of the fifth circle, put it into the middle and the center of the straight line. Next we're gonna insert our timeline here and give them the slide background fill. So we're also gonna give the text fill of white, and next what you're gonna do is give it a header and a really huge header. Now copy it and paste it onto other slides as well, on all of the slides. Next, select all of the slides, go to transitions tab and give morph transition to all of them. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below.